No matter how clean it may be, your home teems with life. From the familiar to the alien. It's a new frontier, an uncharted zone.
Look at that.
The house is located in central Toronto. It's 8 kilometers from Lake Ontario and a few blocks from a large tree-filled cemetery. It's a typical urban neighborhood. While nothing is for sure in the wilds of the great indoors, Michelle's team expects to find some of the usual suspects.
All right, good to
Yeah,
go.
you ready?
Let's do it.
Look closely through your home, and you'll probably find spiders, beetles, flies, ants, silverfish, centipedes, and perhaps this guy. The pillbug, also known as the woodlouse, roly-poly, or potato bug.
That thing is fast.
There is no centipede faster than the one that lives in your basement. The secret to its high speed is a respiratory system unlike any other centipede. It's like oxygen fuel injection to power all those legs. And with them, it runs at a human equivalent of 67 kilometers an hour.